Hey guys, welcome back. Carhelpout here. A simple way to get an independent, certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Today, we're diving into the most common problems with the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado pickup truck. The Colorado is a popular truck, and a lot of people are buying them used these days. Whether you're thinking about picking one up secondhand or already own one, this video is for you. We'll cover the most frequently reported problems with the 2017 Colorado, so you know what you're getting into. From transmission quirks to electrical issues, by the end of this video, you'll be an expert on the 2017 Colorado's potential problem areas. Maybe you can even use this information to negotiate a better price if you're in the market for one. So buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's get into it. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you on the 2017 Colorado or on the side of the road. Our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. Automatic. We bring the repair shop to your location, rough shifting, shuddering, or vibration at highway speed. Emergency vehicle roadside assistance, suddenly the whole truck starts shaking. Flat tire, every 2017 Colorado will have transmission problems, but it's something to be aware of, side of the road, especially with higher mileage. We understand if you're test driving car troubles, pay close attention to how the transmission feels. To provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road take as soon as possible. You don't want to end up with a hefty repair bill down the road. Car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from next up, let's talk about the private car owner seller. 2017 Colorado came with a few different engine options, but we're focusing on the 3.6-liter V6. We can help you. Some owners have reported a lack of low-end torque, making the engine feel sluggish. Another issue is excessive oil consumption. Stranded on the roadside. Some 2017 Colorado owners have noticed their trucks guzzling oil at an alarming rate. And then there's the check engine light, often accompanied by a loss of power. Not exactly what you want to see in a relatively new truck.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's move on to the electrical system. The 2017 Colorado has its fair share of electrical gremlins. One common area is the infotainment system, with reports of screens freezing and systems rebooting. Imagine you're cruising down the road and suddenly silence. Some owners have also reported issues with the truck's various sensors, like the tire pressure monitoring system and backup camera. These systems rely on sensors to function properly, and when they act up, it can be a real pain. Imagine trying to back up in a crowded parking lot and your backup camera decides to take a siesta.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about staying cool, because nobody wants to be stuck in a hot truck with a busted AC. The 2017 Colorado has had its fair share of air conditioning woes. One common issue is a weak or inconsistent AC system. Another problem is a strange odor emanating from the AC vents. And then there's the dreaded AC compressor failure, which can leave you sweating bullets. When the AC compressor goes out, your AC system is essentially toast.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about brakes, because when it comes to safety, they're kind of a big deal. The 2017 Colorado has had a few brake-related issues reported by owners. One common complaint is premature brake wear. Some 2017 Colorado owners have found that their brakes are wearing out much faster than they should be. Another issue is a warped rotor problem, causing a pulsating sensation in the brake pedal. And then there's the dreaded brake fluid leak, which can significantly reduce your braking performance. If you notice that your brake pedal feels spongy, it could be a sign of a brake fluid leak.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about the suspension system, because nobody wants to feel every bump and dip in the road. The 2017 Colorado has had a few suspension-related issues reported by owners. One common complaint is excessive tire wear, possibly due to alignment issues. Another issue is a clunking or knocking noise coming from the front suspension. This problem could be caused by worn-out ball joints, tie rod ends, or sway bar links. And then there's the dreaded shock absorber failure, making the truck bounce more than usual after hitting a bump. You might feel every bump and dip in the road a little more than usual.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about the infotainment system, because in this day and age, a truck's tech game is almost as important as its towing capacity. The 2017 Colorado's infotainment system has been known to throw a temper tantrum or two. One common complaint is a slow or unresponsive touchscreen. Another issue is Bluetooth connectivity problems, with endless pairing issues or dropped connections. And then there's the dreaded software glitch, manifesting in random reboots or frozen screens. While a quick reset might temporarily fix the problem, it's not exactly a permanent solution.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's talk about steering, because nobody wants to feel like they're wrestling a bear every time they get behind the wheel. The 2017 Colorado steering system has been known to exhibit a few quirks. One common complaint is excessive play in the steering wheel, making the truck feel less responsive. Another issue is a wandering or pulling sensation while driving, possibly due to improper alignment or uneven tire wear. And then there's the dreaded power steering pump failure, making it incredibly difficult to steer the truck. If you notice a whining noise from the power steering pump, it could be a sign that the pump is on its way out.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
We're in the home stretch, but we can't forget about the fuel system. The 2017 Colorado has had its fair share of fuel system-related issues. One common complaint is a faulty fuel level sensor, giving inaccurate readings. Another issue is a clogged fuel filter, causing performance problems like rough idling and stalling. And then there's the dreaded fuel pump failure, which can leave you stranded. The fuel pump is responsible for pumping fuel from the tank to the engine, so when it fails, the engine isn't going to get the fuel it needs to run.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So there you have it, folks. The most common problems reported on the 2017 Chevrolet Colorado. From transmission quirks to electrical gremlins, we've covered it all. Every vehicle has its own set of quirks and potential issues. The important thing is to be aware of them, so you can make an informed decision. If you're considering buying a used 2017 Colorado, factor in the potential cost of repairs. And if you already own one, hopefully this video has given you some insight into what to expect. If you've enjoyed this deep dive, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.